McLaren Artura. The first V6 is a plug-in hybrid. The Artura is the first mass-produced McLaren plug-in hybrid. The Woking House calls it HPH, High Performance Hybrid, and has chosen it to bring the new McLaren carbon lightweight architecture, McLA, monocoque to the market with an unprecedented electrified powertrain. Orders will be opened immediately with the possibility of choosing 4 different configurations: Standard, Performance, Tech Luxe, and Vision, and there is a 5-year warranty on the entire car and 6 years on the batteries of the hybrid system. In addition to the 15 standard colors, 16 so-defined variants will also be offered, but as per tradition with them so bespoke commission program, customers can request a custom paint job. 680 horsepower with the new V6 and the electric. With a power-to-weight ratio of 488 horsepower per ton, the Artura promises high-level performance. In fact, McLaren declares a dry mass of 1,395 kilograms, 1,498 kilograms in accordance with DIN, and field a powertrain capable of 680 horsepower and 720 Newton-meters. These values are given by the combination of the new V6 3.0 turbo with 585 horsepower and 585 Newton-meters with a 95 horsepower and 225 Newton-meters axial flux electric motor, at its debut in the automotive field, integrated into the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission with torque vectoring differential. The Artura reaches 100 km per hour from standstill in 3 seconds flat and 200 km per hour in 8.3 seconds, while the top speed is self-limited to 330 km per hour. The sportswoman from Woking can also travel 30 km in electric mode thanks to the 7.4 kWh lithium batteries divided into 5 elements. The new hybrid system also brings significant benefits in terms of declared consumption. We are talking about an average of 5.5 liters/100 kilometers and 129 grams/km in a WLTP cycle. Charging up to 80% of the batteries takes about 2.5 hours, and while driving in EV the top speed is limited to 130 kilometers per hour. Completely new design and interior. Artura was born from the white sheet, even if style and general approach are deeply linked to the brand's DNA. In fact, the classic 2-seater footprint with mid-engine with short and compact front remains. We also find a cut of the optical groups and sides similar to that of other models of the brand, the result of careful aerodynamic research. The cockpit is more spacious than in the past and is designed around the new 8ms 2 infotainment with Android operating system that integrates McLaren track telemetry, variable drift control, smartphone mirroring, and the new section dedicated to the management of ADAS. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go function, lane departure warning, road sign recognition and high beam assist are available on the Artura. Divided as by now tradition between powertrain and handling, they have been moved to the instrument panel which is integral with the adjustable steering column. The steering wheel remains without secondary controls and is combined with the paddles, while the comfort version, with electric adjustments, and the Club Sport are provided for the seats. The latter offers a series of additional manual adjustments and saves 9.5 kilograms of weight. From the monocoque to all the solutions to reduce weight. In pure McLaren style, every technical choice was considered by evaluating not only the impact on performance but also on weight. The use of the even lighter monocoque, 82 kilograms total, which integrates the Ethernet network for the connections of the onboard electronic systems to reduce the number of wiring in the battery compartment by 25%, made it possible to introduce the battery pack, 88 kilograms, and the electric motor 15.4 kilograms, about half of that of the P1, while the transition from the twin-turbo V8 to the V6 saved a whopping 50 kilograms. The automatic transmission is equipped with an extra gear compared to the V8, but gives up the rear, which is managed by the electric motor, thus reducing weight and bulk. The aluminum V6 signed M630 adopts a V of 120 degrees with the 2 turbines inserted in the middle of the heads and equipped with impellers on low friction bearings. Particulate filters and direct injection at 350 bar are also provided. The 6-cylinder can reach 8,500 RPM. Delivering maximum torque constantly from 2,250 to 7,000 RPM. The controls move in front of the driver. The driver can select the driving modes: E mode, comfort, sport, and track. The first is electric only, while the second focuses on efficiency by keeping the thermal engine off up to 40 km/h even in slowdown phases. In sport, the electric motor eliminates response delays and the powertrain provides maximum power, while in track the transmission also offers the maximum in terms of shifting speed. With the handling selector, it is also possible to choose the calibration of the shock absorbers and the intervention level of the traction and stability controls. The latter provides the on, dynamic and off settings. It drives it by drawing energy from the thermal engine, so as to be able to maintain the electric range for a specific route. Top handling. The technical evolution also concerned the setup. The latest generation of Pirelli Zero Cosa tires with Cyber tire and noise cancelling system technology in the sizes 235/35/19 and 295/35/20 was adopted. Additionally, McLaren also completely revised the rear suspension and electro-hydraulic power steering calibration from previous designs. The PDC2 electronically controlled suspension is an evolution of the one already used in the past and is combined with classic anti-roll bars. The carbon ceramic braking system with 390 and 380 mm discs derives from that of the extreme models of the LT series and guarantees extremely reduced stopping distances, 31 meters from 100 km/h and 126 meters from 200 km/h. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.